Hello guys, today we're back with another video. Today we're doing life as a rat. And it might not look like the
That's a mouse.
But now we're a rat now.
Uh-oh.
We're stuck. Oh no, we're glitching. No! Preston, we're glitching.
Yeah, we're glitching. We can't go anywhere.
Uh-oh. So we have hunger too. As you can see in the bottom, we have hunger. No! Press the jump button.
Oh, whoop.
Oh, I did a double jump. I didn't even know
There we go,
that.
we're free.
I didn't even know that was a thing in Roblox, a double jump.
Num num num.
Num num num. That's what real rats actually say when they're...
It is what they say.
We're just kidding, aren't we? And you know I got that joke from another YouTuber. You know that. I'm sorry.
Num num num.
Nun nun nun. Nun nun nun. Oh, and that cat is not friendly to us.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, we're stuck again. Double jump. Double jump. Can we do a double? Oh no, we're just under the board.
Oh, there we go.
So if we go get, do you want to show them what happens if we die from the cat? Do you want to?
No, I want to try to win.
Okay.
Num num num.
Num num num.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, we got clipped.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that was a close one.
There's poop in the litter box.
There's no litter box. You're gonna pee in your poo-poo pot. There's poop. It's actually poop in the litter box. Oh, we can go in the box, I think, but the cat can't. Num num num.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Skittergy.
Ah.
Skittergy. Oh no! Skitter! Oh my gosh.
We'll get away from them.
Yeah. Num num num. Num num num. Ow ow ow. Num num num. Oh, I thought that mouse was walking cheese. Did you? I thought that was walking cheese.
Ah.
Oh my gosh. Run! Oh, that's rainbow. Oh, we died from the hunger.
Oh, that stinks.
Don't forget we have hunger, Daddy.
Okay, your turn.
Let's show them around the neighborhood.
You can show them around the neighborhood.
So.
Let me get up. Let me get up.
Okay. Ah, I'm tripping. I'm tripping. So as you see up here, that's just how long the game is going because the game is still happening. Whoa, we're fast. So as you can see, this is my house. My favorite color, obviously blue. Or is it purple? I'm sorry, guys. I'm colorblind.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am, because I don't. That's purple or blue.
Which one?
That one.
That's blue. Now turn around. That's purple.
Oh no, the game's ending, and it's not this game. So this is my house. Beautiful artwork. My favorite color, blue. Mice win! Yay!
Doesn't look like the cat ever wins.
Yeah, it's hard to be a cat because you're in first person and you can't zoom out.
Oh.
That's why I've seen people play this. Where's my mouse? Oh, here it is. Oh, I have a mouse following me and a cat. Oh, I have pets. Oh, it's so cute. I love my kids. They're so cute. I'm gonna get my headphones on. Wow. Oh, this is good music. Oh my gosh, I love this music. Whoa, oh. Looks like we're going, oh no! No, this one, yay! I'm going to Witch's Den. Nah. Yeah, that dude's losing. Bro, that dude's losing. Witch's Den, here we go. Num num num. Num num num. Poo poo poo. Poo poo poo. I'm gonna turn down the volume a little bit. If you couldn't hear me the other time, I'm sorry.
No, it didn't. The volume set. The It doesn't matter.
Oh my god. Yay! Num poop poop butt. Num num num. Hello poop. Ah! How I? Oh, do you walk as you run? Oh, and I feel like I'm trapped in the cobweb. Someone help me, okay? Ooh, it's a place to hide.
Better find some cheese.
Oh, wait, I'm dying? Oh, I'm dying. No! I'm dying! I'm gonna die, doo-doo. Okay, he's gonna get that cheese. Need food. A cheese! No, that's... No cheese! No! Yay, I got cheese. I got some hunger, boy.
It doesn't give you a lot of fill. Go get that cheese, hurry.
Yeah, because other people can steal your cheese.
I see that.
Oh, no! I'll show you what the jump scare is. He just walks at you. It's not that scary. It's not like Piggy. Oh, so cute! Oh, so cute! Our pets are so cute! Let me show you more around the neighborhood. So over here, as we can see, we have a dark and spooky house from my grandma as a witch! Ah! You don't want to go in there, even though she's a nice one. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna climb a tree. Can I climb the tree now? Oh, a spider web. Ah! The cat!
Is it my turn?
These spider webs are, these spiders must be bigger than doggies! Or it's as big as a cat. Get it? Get it? Cause although my pets are stuck in the cobweb with me. Yeah. No! Do you want to talk to our fans?
I'm fine. You talk to your fans.
Oh.
I'm just here.
Oh.
They're your fans, aren't they?
Yeah, they're my fans. Oh.
What's he doing over here?
Nom, nom, nom. You can go through the bush.
I'm gonna take a pee.
Ew! Did you wipe your pee-pee? You can't go in the houses, I don't think.
Are we on the board?
Oh, no.
I don't think so.
Yeah, we're not on the board. We're not on the board. I'm gonna cry to my pee. I'm gonna cry to my pee.
Yeah, we only have 65 coins
Yeah.
and 0 wins, so we need to get some wins.
Yeah, we have 0 wins. We need to win.
We need to win.
Oh my gosh! I feel like I gotta do it. Nice.
We definitely need to win.
Ooh, parkour. Hoppo parkour. Parkour parkour.
Definitely need to win.
Hardcore parkour. That's a really hard thing to say.
Hardcore parkour?
Yeah. Ooh. Which is done. Richie. Looks like we're doing that house.
Looks like we're doing that
Jenny's house. I guess we're one at a time, folks. 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 What? Okay, I'll stop being annoying. Oh my gosh! Oh my baby boo boo. Oh, you're the cat.
Oh.
You're in first person. You can't zoom out. That's the thing that's hard about cat. Ah, you got away, bro. Get here. Come here, Boo Boo. Whoa, you have a big tail. Oh, you swiped. Get him. Oh, you can't get the cheese. You don't have hunger.
Yeah, I know.
Why don't you run the cheese? Guarding it. Oh, come here. I want to be the kitty. I want to be the
I got him.
You want to go to your litter box and poop, kitty? Ah! Nice place to poop, huh? He was coming right at us.
Hey, we might win.
Yeah. Yeah, oh, there's your second litter. There's your second litter box. Oh wait, that's event. Event. Yo! How'd you get away, doo-doo?
Aha,
There we
got 'em.
go. You gonna go doo-doo, huh, Kenny? Oh, you got him. Shoes, you got the cheese. I mean, but cats don't eat cheese.
How many mice are there?
Check there.
Oh, I've
Wait,
killed a lot of mice.
I think there's 1,000. Oh no, Gizzard!
I got
You
him
can't
too.
mess with my father.
Hey, we won.
Cats win, and there's only one cat, not
Yeah, that's
my turn.
your turn.
Yay! I'm gonna show everyone around the neighborhood. Do you want to watch me every time?
I'm watching.
You want to sit in the chair?
I'll watch. I'll stand right here and watch. You don't have very long
Long for what?
to the next game.
Remember, this is, oh wait, never mind. So we have one win, right? Oh. What's wrong with that one? I don't need to spectate. I can spectate from up here, you know. Ooh, can I make it? Oh, come on. Ooh, I like these. I like it a lot. Oh, wait, if you're a mouse, you can go in the vent? I'm venting. I'm the imposter. Oh, hello, kitty. I'm not gonna mess with you. Ah! There's a kitty in here! What's that? Okay. That's a mouse. Cheese. Oh, OMG, cheese! I hate. Ah! 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 That cat was right above me!
So loud, buddy. You're so loud.
Okay. Oh, you can't get me from in here. Oh, cheese. Okay, I got cheese. Ah! Ah, come on.
I got you.
I got. Oh, come on. Oh, I can spectate? Oh, sick. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing,
It's
dude?
hot from the kitty.
But then he's gonna run out of cheese.
Yeah, I guess that's so.
He just vented. How'd the cat not see him?
Oh no.
Num num num. Num num num.
It's my turn, right?